USW Exchange was created to offer sort of a quick and effective route into the connections that university can offer, so we can facilitate an easy path for you and connect you to the expertise that you're actually looking for. So in this particular case, we were able to work with Pryor Rickett Silviculture, who identified a challenge within the business that they wished to develop. And we were aware, as part of our role within USW Exchange, of funding opportunities that were available. So we reached out to our academics in that particular field who offer that expertise, who had the existing relationship with the company. We were then able to identify a funding opportunity which they were able to apply for. So we were able to sort of offer that support, guidance about, how we could best achieve that.
The AKT is the Accelerated Knowledge Transfer partnership between a business team and a specialist academic team. So the business partner, Pryor Rickett Silviculture, came forward with a problem on the mounding density estimation, and the specialist academic team from USW partnered with Pryor Rickett Silviculture. This was achieved over a period of 4 months, where the teams worked together to achieve the target.
My role in the project was essentially to turn an idea into a solution, to listen to what a business partner needed and through research devise a solution. This project uses artificial intelligence to count mounds on a field. Before this project, our business partner counted these mounds manually. However, we found that they have extensive drone photos of their fields, so we was able to use that with artificial intelligence to automate the counting of these mounds. We hope to achieve time and cost savings by automating what was previously a manual process.
The outcome of this project has been to enable our woodland creation and carbon manager, Sam Roberts, to be able to deploy tools to all our forest managers across Britain. And these tools enable our forest managers to track and monitor and adjust the quality of our cultivation work on sites for woodland creation. Cultivation is really important for sites where we do need to work with the soil, then the better quality the woodland that grows on after it. It's an important stage. Funding for these kind of projects are really important because we, a client-facing company delivering services, we're very much focused on the day-to-day, week-to-week. This funding enables us to actually take time away from the coalface to work with our partners and to plan and to test some of the ideas that we've got, so that when we do get round to deployment, that they're high quality tools for our managers to use.
So any business that's sort of looking for, has identified a problem, an issue, that could be around sort of product to market, process, management culture, change culture. Funded opportunities like this do actually then often develop into larger financial interventions which can sort of benefit the company, such as a KTP. In this case, the accelerated KTP was a targeted intervention for the business, so they benefit from academic expertise, but also the research associate that worked on the project for a few months as well. So for any businesses or industry organisations that might wish to be looking to work with the university to address any challenges and issues, I would say that you can contact USW Exchange through our designated website pages. Alternatively, we have designated engagement spaces in our campuses in Treforest and Newport, where the door is always open, and we're available for a cup of coffee and a chat, where we can offer that sort of bespoke facilitated support service into the university.